Hello, Weissman Law Group. This is Latia Davis representing Davis Digital Solutions coming to you from California. I saw your ad on Facebook for the marketing specialist. I thought I'd film a quick video sort of summarizing ways that I can assist you in your journey here. I have done a little bit of keyword research, specifically Divorce Lawyer New York and Family Law New York. I saw that you have three main competitors. And they have essentially more backlinks than you have, which I know is one of the areas that you wanted to work on to increase your rankings. Also, one of those competitors is in the map pack. And so I know that that is also a goal of yours because you have a GMB or you are wanting to set up a GMB. Now, as far as citations, your website has 13 citations. We definitely need to beef that up. I agree 100% that adding 15,000 or modifying the site so that it has 15,000 words of content would be a great move. So real quick, I'm going to go here through your site. The first thing I would say that I love about the site is how clean it is. I also like the fact that you get right to the point here on this homepage with the services that you offer. One thing I definitely would change is I would have a picture of maybe the three attorneys that work here in the law firm as this initial image that you see when the site loads. I do love this picture of Miss Rachel Weissman. That's wonderful. And I do like the fact that you have some reviews. Now, one thing I definitely would change is instead of having a contact us button, I would change that to a call now and link that to your phone number. And I know that that will only work for mobile, the mobile version. I would also move your submission form here to the very top of the page, right here in this little section right here. You guys have some very great authoritative content as it is. So we would just be adding to that. So like the attorney bios that you have, those look great, very strong. You have a lot of testimonials, but we would probably want to beef those up, maybe double them. And great that you have a blog that shows your authority and your knowledge in the industry that you're in. Let me just a second here. Here we go. So I would love to jump on a call with you so that we could kind of go over the 6 requirements, areas that you were wanting to work on. So please shoot me an email. You can also call me at 951-282-5224. And then if you don't have time to do the call right then, we can schedule a call over the phone. Again, I hope you're all doing well there in New York. I hope you're all being safe, and I hope to speak to you soon.